So we all love having beautiful bags, things that really kind of accentuate our personality. We know we can always go down to a store and buy a bag that was probably made by the literal millions, but as makers, why not take those skills and make a beautiful bag that is just, you're going to be getting compliments left and right. We all know that ByAnnie makes some of the most beautiful bags in the world. Her patterns are incredible, ByAnnie, and we have two for you today. This is called the Ultimate Travel Bag 2.0 and the Travel Essentials 2.0, which is this one here. Now this one, right, this is a multi-day bag. Put all those things you need. I love it. It'll fit under your seat inside a plane. Ask me how I know that, right? Commuting down to San Francisco and all the various airports, the number of times I've had to put my carry-on under my seat. It's a great size, but it carries a lot inside. I love this bag as well. This is that Travel Bag Essentials, a little more compact, but look at how it expands out. We have our mesh or zippered pockets, and then we have this larger zippered pocket here. Absolutely incredible. I think Annie's bags are just, every single one of them has been thought through. The hardware, the strapping, just everything about it. And look at these beautiful zipper pulls. They're metal, they're metallic. These fabrics are hydrangeas in the garden. Sometimes when I've looked at the ByAnnie patterns and I know what fabrics I want to use, sometimes I'm frankly overwhelmed with all of the things I need to get to make that amazing bag. And you know what I end up doing? I don't make the bag. I go make another quilt. Look at this kit right here. We are creating a kit. We have created a kit for each one of these. We'll get a close-up of what's inside this. All of those things that you would have had to go scrounge around and somehow find somewhere out on the internet is right here. And I love that. So what that means is it'll actually happen this time. You're not on that scavenger hunt to go find all of the hardware, all of the fabric, all of the things needed to make these amazing bags. And one important thing to note, while all of the supplies are needed to make the bag, because the Ultimate Travel Bag 2.0 as well as the Travel Essentials 2.0 patterns have been out for a while, we know there's a good chance you just might have that pattern, so we're offering that as a separate purchase. And we all know, again, they're just sturdy, they're so classy. Every detail has been really thought through. Annie's is in a class all her own. She also offers a base stabilizer. This kit will produce this bag. This bag does not have the base stabilizer in there right now, but if you want a more rigid bottom, this is an add-on that you can choose. We didn't put it in that bag in the kit because we know you maybe don't want that. So that's the only thing really that is not included in that kit. Here on the Travel Essentials, again, a much more compact bag, but I love that it expands out. I see lots of toiletries, makeup, things for the bathroom, just everything kind of just rolling up beautifully together. These are the notions that you would use. We'll kind of pan over that. We all know making bags is different than making quilts. There are, of course, some things in common, but there are things that are unique. So we'll kind of pan over that. And of course, those things will be in the list below. But the main thing is these kits. We had to guess on quantities. We know bags like this and a kit this elaborate is on the higher end. But you know what? When you buy a quality bag meant to last that's uniquely you, you're going to pay that much or more. So there's limited amounts of these kits. Be sure to head to the Shabby Fabrics website while they're still in stock to pick up the incredible Ultimate Travel Bag 2.0 kit and or the Travel Essentials 2.0 and any essential notions you might need.